My name is Mitali Bhowmick. I am from Kolkata. I was having a severe pain on my knees since last 10 years. Later, my daughter, who stays in Bangalore, so my daughter has suggested me to consult Dr. Mahesh. I consulted Dr. Mahesh, and he told me to go through a surgery. So I went through the surgery. Everything was well. The hospital is neat and clean. The staffs are also very nice. I am very happy with this ambience and the doctor's behavior. They come and check up. They had done everything. They also have physiotherapy here. After the day after operation, I was given to do physiotherapy, and I can walk now. I can do everything. From I'm so happy with this hospital. From the day I was admitted and till the day I am released, I'm very happy, and I am sure I'll go and tell in Kolkata to everyone who has pain to come here.